Welcome to the AWS IAM Crash Course. Think of IAM as the bouncer at an exclusive club. It decides who gets in and what they can do. We'll cover the key aspects of IAM and why it's essential for security. Buckle up because we're diving into users, roles, policies, and everything in between. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. So what exactly is IAM? Simply put, it's AWS's way of saying not everyone gets access to everything. IAM helps control who can do what in your AWS environment. It's the foundation of secure cloud management. Without it, things would get messy real fast. IAM users are like employees in a company, each with their own login credentials. Groups, on the other hand, help organize users with similar roles, like departments. Would you manually give access to every single employee? Nope, that's why groups exist. It's a shortcut to sanity in access management. IAM roles are like temporary access passes. Instead of a user always having permissions, they get temporary access when needed. Kind of like renting a car instead of buying one. This keeps security tight and limits unnecessary access hanging around. IAM policies are the rulebook. They decide what users, groups, and roles can or can't do. Think of them as AWS's list of do's and don'ts. Writing policies well keeps your cloud secure, otherwise, it's like giving the keys to your house to a random stranger. Managed policies are like reusable templates. You set them up once and apply them wherever needed. Inline policies, however, are custom-built for specific users or roles. Choosing wisely keeps your access control tidy instead of a wild mess. Permission boundaries act like a safety net. They ensure users don't get excessive permissions. It's like setting the maximum limit on a credit card so no one accidentally spends too much. IAM policy evaluation is AWS's detective work. It checks all applicable policies before making a decision. Think of it like a referee watching replays before making a call. MFA is the security boost your account needs. Instead of just a password, it asks for another confirmation, like a text message or authentication app. It's like adding a second lock to your front door. Let's talk about identity federation, your gateway to effortless authentication. Instead of juggling a dozen passwords, users can sign in using external identity providers, like Magic. With SAML and OIG, single sign-on makes access smooth while boosting security. So fewer passwords, more security. What's not to love? Managing AWS accounts separately is like herding cats, chaotic. AWS organizations help centralize management, keeping everything in sync. You can apply policies uniformly, enjoy consolidated billing because budgeting is hard, and enforce compliance controls effortlessly. No more account-related headaches. Security is like brushing your teeth. You've got to do it daily. Stick to least privilege. Don't give full access to everyone. Enable MFA for extra security, rotate access keys like changing passwords, and always monitor who has access. A few simple steps and your IAM security stays squeaky clean. IAM monitoring is your security watchdog. CloudTrail logs every move, while Access Analyzer sniffs out misconfigurations before trouble strikes. Compliance checks ensure you're following the rules, and alerts keep you ahead of cybervillains. Think of this as your personal cybersecurity detective. Resource-based policies are like VIP passes. You decide who gets in. They enable cross-account access while ensuring fine-tuned security controls. Instead of blanket permissions, give users only what they need. Think of it as custom-fit security tailored just for you. Troubleshooting IAM is like fixing a Wi-Fi connection. You just need to find the problem. Permission errors, check roles, authentication issues, verify credentials, misconfigured policies, review them carefully, and always use logs because they spill the truth. IAM isn't just a feature, It's your AWS security backbone. Follow best practices, monitor access like a pro, and troubleshoot wisely. With a solid IAM setup, you're one step ahead of security risks. Congrats, you're now an IAM master. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.